Okay, so it is same day as last video. I'm gonna start throwing my coilovers in. I got a set of BCBR coilovers. Oh shit, that way. Oh no! I started throwing shit into the fire. I got a set of BCBR coilovers from here. Looking all pretty. Get that away from the fire so we don't have a bigger fire. I got the front end on the ground, but I'm gonna start taking the tire off. I'm probably gonna do passenger side, then driver side because it's so close to the wall over there. So I'm gonna start by taking off the lug nuts and then we'll start pulling the coils for the stock coil out. Alright, first coil is out. Oh, it's all fine. But I got the first coil in. Apparently, didn't realize this, wasn't really thinking that these are... I'm having the worst luck with this. Okay, so I don't understand what keeps happening, but I got the passenger side front coil in. Apparently they are specific to which side they need to go on, so be careful of that when you're installing them. It's just for the bracket for the brake line, so not a huge deal if you're not gonna run them. I do, for now at least. My camera keeps dying on me while I'm recording, so I'm gonna let it charge. I'm gonna get to the other side. I'm gonna try and record when I do the driver's side of things, and it might be a little bit easier. I went to install the coilovers, as you can kind of see in there. I have it floating in there. So when you go to actually install it, as you can see, I got it lined up. It hits that bracket right there, and this is specifically for convertibles. So what I'm going to do now is I planned on using a angle grinder, but had a hole saw here that will fit. So I'm just gonna kind of hole saw it in right there. Should make a pretty nice, clean looking cut. Better than something I could do with an angle grinder, and it won't throw sparks everywhere. I'm gonna get to cutting that out. All right, so I got the coilovers in on the rear now. Here, let me get the light. As you saw, I'm just gonna torque everything down, got the front done, torque that down, and then we can lower this side and get started on the driver's side. What was that? Woo! What was that? Woo! All right. Oh man. All right, so we got the bottom of the coilover of the stock coil off. I'm going to take off these top bolts here, and we should be able to just drop it out. I feel like that's like a worst case scenario.
Yeah, that's why I'm happy I'm getting like a new engine, but I don't have to worry as much about that.
Yeah. Where's that last lug at? Come on, don't tell me this is what's gonna hold me up from finishing, is I can't find a fucking lug nut.
I don't see it.
What the hell?
2 hours later.
Oh my god, found it!
Where was it?
Woo! It was under the spare.
Something bad happens.
It's fine.
We good?
Yep. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, take 2. Ooh.
Kill him.
It's not even that low and you can't even get the jack out here.
It'll settle.
Yeah, I know.
Nice, dude.
It's way lower than it was.
Yeah. Pretty sturdy, too.
Yeah. That did not take very long at all.
The hell is that?
I think it's the door.
Yes.
Oh, let me close it. Alright, get it, girl.
Nice.
Yeah, I think it's just...
Sweet. That was like record time.
This has been the easiest set of coilovers I've ever done. I think your IS took,
Like
that
7
one
hours.
coilover took forever, but we got the other 3 done in like an hour. My E30 had the conversion, so that took forever because the struts were fucked up. Getting the old struts out. The Datsun over here are welding coilovers, and those took forever. Your MR2, the strut, the sway bar, the end links took forever, and the sway bar bushings. So, yeah, this has been the easiest set of coilovers I've ever done. Sorry, I'm looking. What was that? Stoked. Ooh. The coilovers are all set. I'm gonna finish up everything else with the cooling system, getting the intake manifold on. We got the clutch pedal done. It's all bled, everything, all that fun stuff. So let me know what you think of the videos. I'm gonna try and put out new videos every week, like I said. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good night.